Hi everyone in English 2323, it's Dr. E and I'm here with your week 14 instructional video. So let's go ahead and jump right to the content area so we can see the agenda and what is expected this week in terms of assignments and guidelines. So what I really want you to spend some time on is your multimedia project, just whether that is starting the creative element or whether that is doing, more research to bring into that second paragraph or writing or revising the paragraphs. It's not a bad idea to start the project even if you don't have the feedback from me. The feedback is typically, 9 times out of 10, I'm going to say this is a good idea, and I may ask you to tweak something here or there, but it won't be enough that you would have to completely scrap and restart your project. As long as your idea that you submitted in the plan is falling under the guidelines of the assignment, then you should feel free to at least start that project so it doesn't feel like it's coming fast and quick when it's due. Your other assignment for this week is going to be to finalize your journal collection. So it's due on Sunday, but I'm going to make a note to let you know that I have, in essence, extended the grace period, but I'll talk about that in just a minute, just because I know that this is a bigger assignment. I want you to have plenty of time on it, and I want you to, not have other concerns in our course, at least, while you're working to finalize that. And then, of course, your participation quiz. So you do have a journal collection video that walks through that assignment. I do want you to note that in the video I mentioned that the assignment is not due this week. This is a video from a previous semester, but essentially with the extended grace period, it's not due until next week. So, but I just don't want there to be any confusion. It is going over the same expectations and guidelines. It just has a few notes in it that may be pertinent to a previous semester, but let me know if you have any questions or concerns. I have reposted the multimedia project guidelines here if you want to just kind of review those and take another glance at them, as well as the materials for the journal collection. Those are also going to be available in the assignment folder, so I'm going to open that. And what I've done here is just put all the materials available. And remember that this is a revision of work that you've submitted previously. So if you need to go to the assignment area and just generally look at your previous submissions, right? And hopefully you've saved those somewhere. So your submissions will appear here. And then the evaluations, so it's self-explanatory. It just takes a little bit of clicking and, investigating, but hopefully you have those saved somewhere so that you can take a look at those expectations and what you submitted for those works. All right. So the collection guidelines are here, as well as a Google Docs template, as well as a Word file template, whichever you choose. Please use the template. You have previously submitted in hopefully template format, but these templates have additional information that can be helpful. So you can, of course, copy and paste your text into these. There's also a works cited that's kind of set up and formatted. So why not take advantage of that? And then there are video instructions here. All right. And then the next thing is going to be the quiz, and the quiz just essentially goes over assignment guidelines and expectations. It's since you don't have any reading due this week, it's not based on that. Let me know if you see any trouble with the quizzes. I know last week there was, I think, a repeated question. It's that time in the semester where our brains are a little bit fried, and I'm included in that for sure. But thanks for all you're doing to reach out. Let me know if things are going on with you, or let me know if you need help in any way. But have a good week and touch base with me if you need. Take care.